Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Lockdown. The government has imposed a 96-hour curfew on central Clarendon following multiple gun attacks over the last few days. The gang activity in central Clarendon has claimed 7 lives and injured another 3 persons. The Effortville community is of particular concern. We have the details in this report.
Terror in Effortville, Clarendon. 8 residents shot, 5 of them dead, all within just 48 hours. In the latest incident on Thursday night, gangsters killed 2 persons, a man and a woman, in an area of Effortville known as Long Gully. Their identities are not yet known. A bloody feud between 2 gangs has been blamed for Thursday's attack. The bloodletting has drawn a response from the political directorate. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang explained that Effortville is not the only area in central Clarendon that needs attention. He pointed out that another 2 persons were murdered in central Clarendon, which takes the count in the area to 10 shot and 7 murdered.
That we had deployed significant numbers after the first incident in the hills. And while we are aware that gangsters in the central area would have been involved, it therefore dictates that we send significant additional manpower of both soldiers and policemen in the area. We are now going to take steps to institute a security curfew. Objective is to have at least a 96-hour curfew and make every effort by the count of of the security forces to apprehend a number of the critical players out there and then allow normalcy to return.
The National Security Minister recognizes the progress made in Clarendon. Up to August this year, murders had decreased by nearly 30% in the parish. But now the gains are being eroded by thugs, including those in the traditionally tough Effortville community.
There's a known gang established here in the Bushman in the central Clarendon. They had significant degrading. Number have been killed in combat with the security forces, as well as several have been detained and charged, but they still have a significant number of activists out there, supporters, who are well armed and are brutal in their approach. I'm aware and I've been told, I've been informed by the security team that this entire episode of killing has come about because of a dispute over a bike, which reflects the level of literal depravity in the behavior of some of these elements out there.
The Security Minister is therefore asking the business community in Clarendon to support the security lockdown, especially with the curfew measure coming within the busy Christmas shopping period.
We know it will disrupt commerce, but the gang war will do worse disruption to commerce.
The National Security Minister says the government is prepared to shut down the area for longer, but hopes to restore calm to Effortville and surrounding areas of central Clarendon before the holiday period. The lockdown will begin at 9 tonight. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.